Canadian study reveals air pollutants called ultra-fine particles or UFPs cause 1,100 deaths each year in Montreal and Toronto. Led by McGill University researchers, the study was performed in collaboration with other Canadian universities, Health Canada, and Statistics Canada. Using models that combined machine learning with ground-level measurements, land use data, and aerial images, the researchers estimated UFP levels in Montreal and Toronto neighborhoods from 2001 to 2016. They then calculated the link between exposure and risk of death. The findings revealed that long-term exposure to UFPs from vehicle emissions and industry was linked to an increase of 7.3% in non-accidental deaths, of 17.4% in respiratory deaths, and of 9.4% in coronary artery disease. Because UFPs are microscopic, they penetrate deeply into the lungs, enter the bloodstream, and lead to heart and lung diseases and cancer. What concerning news, researchers? May policymakers heed your recommendations on regulating ultra-fine particles in heaven's mercy. It takes a lot to give up what we are used to, but what we get in return is immeasurable. The blessings of those innocent animals. A certain kind of joy is experienced when we liberate others from suffering, because indirectly we liberate ourselves from suffering. Pramodaji Chitrabhanu, vegan.
European Commission or EC registers Stop Cruelty, Stop Slaughter initiative. In July, the EC officially registered a new European citizens' proposal entitled Stop Cruelty, Stop Slaughter. The campaign asserts that industrial animal people raising operations are not aligned with the 1978 Universal Declaration of Animal Rights and the Treaty of Lisbon, which recognize all animal folk as sentient beings with the right to exist. Moreover, these cruel operations are a threat to public health, increasing the risk of zoonotic diseases and pandemics. The proposal calls for promoting plant protein production and progressive closure of all industrial animal people raising sites. If at least 1 million signatures of support for the proposal are collected in 1 year, the EC will have to respond to its requests. Bravo all involved for this vital initiative. May all countries soon ban animal people meat and dairy production and establish a vegan food system in divine benevolence.